Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage to the internal components. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 530-14 IKB and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this. You want to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This is often done by gently pulling on the connector, but be careful not to tug on the wires themselves. Once the cable is disconnected, you can remove the screws securing the battery in place. Again, keep these screws safe for reinstallation. After removing the screws, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place, and reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Make sure the connection is firm to avoid any power issues later on. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Once all screws are in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working as it should. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 530-14 IKB. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.